Hello everyone and welcome to our travel channel. We are Nico and Ira and at moment we are on our backpacking trip through South America. We hope this channel will help you to organize your next trip or at least to motivate you to visit some of places we will show you. We're making this channel also for our friends and family who will like to follow our journey and will be also one day nice memory for us. In our first episode, we're going to Colombia and we start with one of our favorite places. It took us 2.5 hours from Punta Cana with flight company Wingo to arrive to Medellin. Our first impression, the city is amazing. It's so green. I have feeling like we are in botanical garden when we walk. They don't call Medellin without reason city of eternal spring. Climate is perfect. We stayed in El Poblado area, which is most common for foreigners. Neighborhood is very green and feel like walking through botanical garden. Good morning everyone from sauna. Not Finnish sauna, it's Medellin sauna. Our room, it's super hot, especially if you sleep on top bed like me, then it's no air. We have small fan down, but it's not helping too much. And look this view. I have feeling that I sleep in some garage. That's the view. Bedroom conditions force us to spend more time outside and explore city. We decided to go on walking tour with Real City Tour, where we learn a lot about Medellin history. This city still have bad reputation because past, but today Medellin is much safer place. Still common sense, like in any other place. Watch your stuff, don't get in trouble and skip walking late at night. Tour is very long, more than 3 hours, so be ready for pain in your feet. Comuna 13 is just one of 16 comunas in Medellin, but probably most famous one. This area was in 90s one of most dangerous places on earth. They started building illegal houses around Medellin. Local government didn't like that, so this area stayed without water, electricity, no transportation, no police. Till local government finally legalized houses, give them infrastructure and education. Today Comuna 13 is full of street musicians, tourists, and it's more safer place. Few tips about Medellin. If you want to go to eat cheap lunch, you should go for Menu del Dia. It's served between noon and 3 p.m. Cost mostly around $3 to $5, and you get soup, juice, chicken, beans, rice, French fries. It's huge portion. It's really good. For transport, we mostly used Uber and Metro. Uber is fine, it's legal. Before it was not legal, now it's legal. And if you want to use Metro, you need to buy this Metro card, Civica. And we couldn't buy on machine, so I think only you can buy on desk every metro station. Also cable car. Medellin have 6 cable car lines and we took the one that's going to Park Arví. This line have 2 stops. First one, Santo Domingo, takes 8 minutes and you will have nice view on city and comunas on hills. And second one from Santo Domingo to Park Arvi, and this one takes 15 minutes with nice view on Park Forest. In Park Arvi we get lost few times and almost step on scorpion, but that's part of adventure. For nightlife, Park Leras is hotspot where we met our friends from Croatia. But best fun we had in La Juana de Ruana, where we danced until early in the morning. I'm terrible dancer, and not only terrible dancer, I'm also terrible in learning languages. So my advice, if you're coming to Colombia or in other Latin American countries, learn some Spanish or you will finish like this. Do you want lemonade or... I will take lemonade.
Lemonade.
No ice.
No ice. No frío.
Sin hielo, hielo.
No refrigerator.
No. Sí.
What it says.
Oh my god. So that's how we ordering food. It's very hard without Spanish. So we got very cold orange juice and we try to order lemonade without ice and not cold. So you need Spanish. So that's all from Medellin. It's our first episode, not last one. It's just the beginning of our trip, so will be more episodes, more material. Next episode will be Guatape, where we shoot some nice videos with drone. And that's it. Next episode, Guatape. Subscribe and stay updated, and see you. In next episode, check how we climbed to one of tallest monoliths in the world and spent 2 days in Guatape. See you!